What's up, YouTube? Listen, I just got a 2011 Lexus GS350. I've taken a lot of videos from YouTube University on how to do certain things on this car, switch lights. One that was a problem was the puddle lights. And I've seen a million videos where you gotta, take the glass off and pry it off. But I want to show you a different way I've done it. It'll help a lot of people out. All right, check it out. All right, all you want to do is pry the housing out, bottom. Unhook the light, change the bulb, and put it back. I'm not gonna put it back yet because I haven't changed the bulb, but that's pretty much all you need to do, man. All of that, prying your glass out and all that other crap, unnecessary. This is all you need right here. You see the clips right here. Unhook it, put in your LED, put it back, man. Simple as changing the light on your license plate or anywhere else. All right, later. Now look, I ain't gonna lie to you. I had a screwdriver. I needed a pry tool because it was definitely a pain in the ass getting that damn thing out of the housing and back in. Really getting it back in was the problem. Getting it out wasn't that big a deal. But I was using a screwdriver, so I had to be extra careful. If you had a pry tool, you wouldn't have to really worry about that. So if you go to do it that way, use a pry tool. You got no problem at all. It's easy. Out. Y'all be safe out there. All right, we're in there. All right now.